All right, so I just got my California air compressor. Got it all out of the box. Here's the specs on it. 2 horsepower, 10-gallon tank, 640 CFM, 40 PSI. You can read it. This is the 120C model. So I'm gonna hook it up on its maiden voyage, and you guys can come along for the ride. It comes without the wheels and those little stoppers on the back, and then I also had to put on the air filters. But other than that, it was pretty much all set up. So let's plug it in and see how long it takes to get up to pressure. I don't know if you could tell how loud it probably is on the video, but it's a lot quieter than that old pancake over there. That thing is super loud. I don't know what that noise is. It seems a little weird. How about a missing screw out of this cover for one thing? I don't know. I bought this thing on eBay from the manufacturer. They said it had about 50 hours of use on it. So I figured, what the heck, at least they've already run it through its paces and worked out any kinks. But obviously I'm gonna need to replace a screw here or something. Wonder what else I'm gonna have to replace. So right now, tank pressure's at, it's getting up to 120. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to cut out pretty soon. That scared the shit out of me. Okay. All right, well, yeah, it cut off. So it looks like we got on the regulated side, what's that, about 125? Same on the tank pressure. I could dial this down, dial it up or whatever, maybe. Yeah, there we go. It's a little stiff. But let's see what kind of air pressure it's got. I've been saving up, apparently I've been saving up a little dust in my socket set, so let's just see. Cover your ears, here it comes. I'm waiting to see how long until it kicks on. Oh, there it goes. So it's pretty quiet. I mean, I'll plug this guy in. You can see how loud this thing is. Yeah, that thing's loud. It's old and rickety. So anyway, it was time to upgrade. I don't know. I'll have to see what kind of tools I can run on this thing. Here's some more specs on it. So, I don't know. I'm not going to update this. You'll never know how good it worked out or how bad it didn't. You'll just have to look at reviews, I guess. I was just doing a video on firing it up for the first time. So, that's it. I got one missing screw. There's no oil in this thing, which is good because it arrived upside down for who knows how long it was like that. There's no indication on that box to say this side up or anything. That sticker down there is just telling them it's heavy. like you didn't know that when you picked it up. Oh, look at that. There's another, what the heck, man? Another screw. All right, anyway, there you go. California Air Tools.